Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is Zapier video not exporting 2026. There can be several common reasons. Large file size or long duration. Very big or lengthy videos may fail or take too long to process. Zap configuration issues. Incorrect steps, missing fields, or wrong mapping in a Zap can prevent export actions from completing. App integration limitations. The connected app used for video handling may have restrictions or unsupported export formats. API or server issues. Temporary backend problems or API limits can interrupt processing. Task limits exceeded. Hitting your plan's monthly task limit can stop automations from running. Authentication issues. Expired connections or revoked permissions can block export actions. Internet connection problems. Slow or unstable internet can affect uploads, downloads involved in exporting. File format or codec issues. Unsupported formats or incorrect settings can cause export failures. If the issue continues, check your Zap setup, reconnect accounts, review task history, reduce file size, or contact Zapier support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.